There's seriously a lot of buttons and switches.
Let's get a glass for you.
That's raspberry juice.
We're gonna have backpacks for the kids for the first time ever. Excited about that. Mostly because they're carrying things for us. And we're about ready to hit the airport. What's going on here? Is that the beautiful thing you... Oh, is that how you drink from that? Let's get a glass for you.
That's raspberry juice.
Raspberry iced tea. Hey guys, we made it to Mall of America. The biggest shopping mall in America.
I mean, the biggest playground mall. Wow, Dada, this is the biggest mall.
You know, maybe he did. There's stars up there.
Yeah.
Bean store.
It's not real nice.
What do you get? Oh, that's cool. You booked
I
it.
did this tour. My tour. Stickers! Sticker.
Oh, you're gonna put it on the stroller there? Is that fast? Be careful.
What to do that fast? I can do this fast. This fast. You didn't see my chart, it went so fast.
Come on up. You want to see the cockpit? Let's go see where you fly the airplane.
Dad, you can sit down if you want and put them on your lap. Backpack. You sit right up there.
Backpack.
You gotta sit with your brother.
Want to sit with your brother? I got your backpack.
You can take the picture, or Ryan can take the picture. Sit with your brother. Scoot over.
Oh, wow.
It's kid size.
Wow, look at that. Let's hold it. You go with that and hit photo.
There's seriously a lot of buttons and switches.
Recording? Yeah, it's recording, so.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. You're flying and you're sitting in the pilot seat.
You guys see?
Got it. Hey, thank you very much.
Cool, thank you. Lean in and get a picture there.
Hey, can you look back at me? There we go. That's a great picture.
You guys want to stay there and I'll go back and sit with your dad? Is that okay? What's the white one?
Does that say fly?
Oh, you want to put it on.
Oh.
Alright.
It's a little hard to reach, huh? Okay.
Push it so the light goes out.
Okay, we want to sit down. Hey, thank you very much, gentlemen. Say thank you. Oops, sorry.
Thank you.
Thanks to all the people that visited the cockpit, asked me how to do my job and helped me. So thanks to all those folks, little kids and that. But we're still planning to go to Denver. That's what we think anyway. We got to check the boxes in case they changed it to something else. And Ryan's your first officer. Hour and 39 minutes once we get in the air.
It's about 12:30 in the morning, getting in late. This is tough on anyone. But you guys are doing just fine. You guys are doing really good. You're a little sleepy, but that's okay.
A plane is arriving the train.
So we made it to Denver with 3 backpacks. a stroller, 2 car seats, and 49.5 pound piece of luggage. And 2 kids, and myself.
I'm the teen of the jungle.